Yamwache ebiem yamwakwa Badwam TV Badwam so kase no na ne braso say de brown some no edoso ne etoja omu bi ya wobeti ne yebekoma mponten adwadifo a womo ete high tension pole ase ehun hawa wo famu Adom TV kase de bebro na fe yabwara ye aboso kan so adwadifo bi a kire won madwen efa Ghana wariguo ne awarija ye ho ensemo no eno ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase wo share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel 119 DSTV 280 YouTube Adom TV 2 Medidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT seden samni chiremu ankasa etie yebekoma mponten na adwadufo ye wo ho na esu no ofise nei baby a yede wo makotena electricity pole kase asia ehun sunsanso na ye bebre ti amano bofo ko ho de adwadufo edi nkoman sama wodi tuja eni
atanze na me super ko fie kwa na me na ase ayele ya sanse shoku ye nsu to kwa ye jina so ye jina dwom ha shoku ye pa
ye ba ya o ka so mu yi aba ha be 6 months azana o mu di akodwemu esika nyina hye
asidan kanya me se ada beti ato no na yesu ntini ama off na sanka light ni wo mu di a wo hene ba ko bi de ete ye de ne light ni wo ba ye nyina ye dwane na we ye wo no sa papa kwa do bi kura besi so anu wahye yo
ne nyina mu no ukopiem wo mamponten a ewo kwabere Easter Badwam poso aso a edwa akese mienu ampanimfo ehye se wo sidi amadwadifo yi ampanimfo atona jeje mu edwomfo hema antiadwoa ne bonkomo na wo kire mu se efi so mba high tension dwa ase yi wo modwadire nyina ahye
how pa breye high tension ase ayete se sa ma yeti dwom ye ni so wusi kura wutimi wo se wo bre wo abrabom anso ye de begu ye so sika nyina de ba ye nyina hye e kura de e kura ye ya pa abo ya se ta mo be ye de ama ye bia de aseda manyame a che se ya tena ha ya ama ye ba je so awi se mimi to ye gya wo ewie kura na aka se me nkotenem wo je me 20,000 kura minya
ne kura mu na kwabere East MPP parliamentary aspirant owura onyina e champon kosigyefi ahye adwadifo ma na no ho ba se nyankopon ya adom na obedi MPP anima
high tension na omoti ase na very dangerous ahoma ba akote kura any issues and research bia so we know definitely say ebenya negative impact on their health one who problem no kra one who problem no kra no
Ana Statistical Service and for the 2021 population census and as any parking kan ye ne niema kan ebeto dwa ye hwe mu ano na warija ye kwosoro pa na no mu no Adom kase kwa aboso kan adwadifo bi ye no mu di nkomo na wo mu nsama wodi tudwa no enie
emanu ware dia ani woni pelab so baby on ware na onya ko ware no mutra 1 2 3 years e bien kola abamu a wo be ma no ko na expense ayi no ba ni kipu ni de afa bedu ba bi no chese wanya wo awie na se na adwuma fanshi kakra wo be ma ne sense expense be bregu su no ntino se ta na edu ba bi ara ho hyiraba ani oba no fa wonya hwe
kwaridie enim ni so ka ho ni kwaridie enim enenti ene mane yesa be ma nka no kre oba so nka no kre ena we di na masie we so di be ma de na masie oba de masie ba se mumienu nyina muhu se oba ma wo 1 cedi oba wo 1 cedi na munya mote mo ho ase megidi se nka ware enwu
womo esan editudwa ekwan ya omanfo ebetimi afaso ewo manmu ha womo be ya womo aware enkogu anase entemu enkote
siase no ne fa bi so san gina ya sofo no so nso ya ekoya yipa no by force a onye wedding wabla tete wono so ye no ye wedding asap and this yipa no obi kura tumi ko bobisia na oda esa wedding na dade no enti ogbokoko wura mawie no na fi de chesa wala anka ye ni kwa kwaje no na fi de ye de ka na ye de ko enti wono kura no na je se ensem bebre hokura wona di nka wu egu dada ansa ena sisi akwan ye fa so ware no enwu se asa we share oba no bebia na asa we share bema bebia oseme do no obi anwen yin ntra da hu ne da oye de kodo no
kware we na obisa wade na woma no a ede na office obe de obe ya ne se niema ehu ni fa so na se be obe wate ase ba se enti ase ene no kwaredie ni we ni wo mu a masa bibie ni ho a ebe basa aware ni be ebe kama
Kane Commissioner Teardrum Dema Electoral Commission ye Dr. Kojo Afarijan nene wo se wakan nsɛm ahodoɔ de afa sɛde yɛn democracy ne tie yɛ abato mu nsɛm no etie ne de ohunu no sa amanyo nsɛm no adanisika unisika ene ewuntumi nkɔkora na Constitution Day lecture course so ene owura Afarijan de sansemi etudwa.
Too many promises. In place of enunciating policies, our politicians spend a lot of time making and repeating promises to the electorate. One cannot be sure that even the politicians themselves believe that they can fulfill the numerous promises that they make.
Nanso, enya bosha amanyofo ehyamanfo nko a ena owura yi eka ho asem san so di tudwa se de sesei petemu na amanyofo emamanfo ska sebe ya obeto aba ama wo no mo no enim gu asesem a edadie wa abato akoso na nsan mu a enya ade se fata kura.
In days gone by, whatever vote buying or vote selling there was took place in secrecy. Not so these days. What we have now looks like an open market where candidates can freely buy votes and citizens can freely sell their votes in broad daylight, while we all look on seemingly unconcerned. But it is a shameful spectacle, because vote buying and vote selling are unlawful.
Dr. Kojo Afarijan amana so wa wasai kasa yede efa batu echi ntawantawa ne ekoso yetwi hu mumome twe ho da renom ne ade no o se enye ne kwan so no kwan ye fa so esiesie ka no enye ne kwan so no ehon so nsam odi tudwa eni.
With regard to the media, it has become extremely difficult to distinguish between genuine media and counterfeit media because of the preponderance of one-sided, even distorted presentation of issues in the partisan media, the indiscretions of some serial callers, especially into radio discussions, and the irresponsible use of social media for political purposes. Nor do we know the impact that artificial intelligence will make on elections in view of its ability to create voices and visual images that are virtually indistinguishable from the real ones.
Kasafa ejuma esese ajejefo eye sebano democracy ewo manmu hana abatu a womo ede court ene amanyofo ekwan a womo efaso ede kasafa judges ehono eyade a ede ohaw bapa.
Judicialization of elections refers to the increasing trend of resorting to the judiciary to settle electoral controversies of all kinds. Politicization of the judiciary refers to appointing judges in the hope that they will give judgments that are favorable to a particular political party or cause if the need arises. As to which one comes first, it is like the chicken and egg question.
Chief Justice Mame Gertrude Araba Isabasaki Tokunu se nsentrofo ye wasudie pa o men ye koso nyina no nsentrofo nso yedimo akotenenti yentwe yemu yenkasa mu bibia mu no yenhwese edede asomdue beba titwu wa afimu ye kwa akoto aba no na judicial press call eno no womhia yo de sansemi etudwa
report the exact content of what is going on in the institution, and it is also the sweetest dream of any leader to have a press call that informs on exactly what is going on in the community, and even better if they know, they understand, and so the information is premised on a reportage that allows the society to properly digest the words that are being given out to them. You are an absolutely important pillar for informing the Ghanaian public about what it is that this third arm of government does.
San so etu nsamtrofo nyina afo se omomodin ase obesua omanyi emra ene se ne atenterene eye adwuma se de ebeye a wonom nyina ebeboa omanyi empumtu.
But learning, understanding is what will equip you to present accurate reports to the general public, and it is so critical that you act as harbingers of stability rather than harbingers of instability, just because you yourselves have not quite understood.
Mame ye Chief Justice Guso ya wakasa Gertrude Araba Isaba Saki Tokono eno de na sama waka no hu se arehuo mu efrise yenim de central adwuma yeye wa maman bi so enam central fo ntro yemu no wonkasa mu ntie bi ato na nanom nsie do ekurabo na no wo kire mu se yenso ye de yi ebibra man nyina ye de twampoa nti central fo nkoso anye wa adwuma yie se be ya ye di mpa yenya ewe democracy mu ne central adwuma mu no ebetena ho.
We all know that we have elections coming up this year, but you are the makers, you are the breakers. You could be the breakers of the peace. You could be the breakers of the peace. Because when it comes to elections, for instance, the rest of us will just go and cast our votes. The citizenry will cast their votes. And then you present. Now, if in your presentation there's unnecessary sensationalism, that could trigger off situations which then we have to resolve. Through this year, you will do your best to learn the intricacies of the legal structures around elections. For instance, it's not enough to say that, oh, elections are won or lost at the polling station. Sometimes there are these pedestrian statements. What does that mean? Or the law is in the bosom of the judge. We all know that pedestrian statement. But what does it? It just means that it is the judge who interprets the law. That's why that expression is used. The facts come from the parties and the judge determines the law. What does it mean by elections are won or lost at the polling station in terms of law? It means the quality of the evidence regarding the outcome of the election is determined at the polling station.
Ghana ya mampani na nado danko Akufo-Addo saka kakra na ni 2 term awie se Ghana mampani no owani so ade hunu pa ni gidie se Ghana fo ye mo anenti oman ye betumi adru babia ewo se yedru ode sansem we no mo eto edwa na wo kire mu se nkabo mu so boa wo mu se oha wo mu de nanso nkabo mu ni enkan ekronti no ye betumi adru ho a presidential thanksgiving ase na mampani din semi etuja.
Albeit with 1 year to go, I'm filled with optimism and determination. With the support of the Ghanaian people and the guidance of Almighty God, I'm confident that we will achieve our goal of creating a progressive and prosperous Ghana for all. In conclusion, let us begin the new year with a renewed sense of purpose and a stronger commitment to the ideas that unite us as a free nation. And let me, in conclusion, plead strongly with the church to bear the nation continually up in prayers, for the battle is the Lord's.
Archbishop Awada Anglican Asafo Mamponda Diocese ano Most Reverend Dr. Cyril Kobna Ben Smith enso di to just say afi Ghana mino ebeso aba emohomoho.
This service aims to stress our commitment to you and God's commitment to you to provide spiritual support and to proclaim this year as a year of many blessings from God. Indeed, this year, more than ever before, things will begin to shift dramatically with multiples of divine blessings and economic prosperity for God's people in Ghana.
Deputy Majority Leader, Sano Krebia Nimo district level election, a course on ano entamun se Wamabasa Basabia Koso, Futu Baton Pesiano, ESO said the NDC for a cano.
Whatever information he has is untruth. They are false. If there should be anybody in Winneba to cry foul, it should be me. Maybe he's not aware, but I would take time to let him know how I've suffered in Efutu. In 2012, 2 weeks election, I was pushed into a gutter by a known NDC executive. He's still in Winneba, Abe Kunyakon. He and his nephew. We reported to the police. The police did not take action. The records are still there. MPP came into office in 2017. I let the sleeping dogs lie. I did not activate the case. I said it's okay. Although constitutionally, these assembly elections are non-partisan. But practically, party activists participate. And I will tell you the truth, that we in the MPP campaign for our party members who had filed. Okay? And they also campaign for their party members who filed. And I can tell you for a fact that all the 18 elected assembly members are dyed in the wool NPP activists. They are party people.
Ento akasiano aso na ohine a owo jukwa eyedentra traditional area na odi adesre ema Heman Lower Dentra MPP delegate no so wonto Obama Lawrence Kwabena Agensem nyuma wo ye ne se wani ensa okachira Adom TV kase etoso
enkoda yewie asku ahodo ewo ho no omo beba JHS no ena me efu egitu mu ye ni education penyifo so ebehwe no na enokre ebehia se di GHS beba ho akehwe mu bokra se sanka menya emfie na eto aso biema anka ho no yanya GHS na anka ho so de to so se chips compound wo hwe fa ho nyina so a mu hia chips compound na emom se me de se GHS no yatimi awie emfie de ye de no ye behwe
Sylvester Tabiesi na eye mesni panyi kwankyerefo a wo hwa adesua ho nsem so e wo Pro East ono en wo gina adesuafo ne akyekyerefoɔ anamu age school dan yisafoa efiri mahebedwani ehonomo oda mahebedwani no ase se waba beye wonomo moa esisa school dan no ama wonomo.
The Honorable MP Commander Donko, and then I thank the community for giving us the land for this particular project. The communities that are going to benefit from this project are 2 major ones. That is Chokrombo, Nkwata, and that of Kupwa. They are going to benefit from these projects. Right now, some of the children are staying outside the town, and they are outside. Their parents are not able to monitor them. If the child stays with the parents, it means they will have control over the child, and their feeding will also be properly taken care of. But where they are now, they don't even know where, so that the female ones or the girls, they don't know how they are being monitored.
Facha yes, Lower Hema, Diano Ama, na we know ye Pro East, Wabuno East Mantam Nimumra Shebedani, Dr. Kwabena Nkwa, ne Wesi Suku, Adam Krami and San, staff common room, de Ama ena Yokuti, Yenina no Sonadum TV, Casiano, and Open Minfancy ha, Asadam Common. Omreno adaja wo de hwe se wo kodia Erade Fan Komra imo timi hwe live on Facebook/Adom TV midin de afia amankwa tamaklo ye kwaba da won krata no ha online stories no so aye krado ye kwaba